Welcome back, guys. I'm feeling good. Got a new jumper on. And listen, if you want some of our merch, just hit us up, man. Hit us up. To review today. So I'm going to do one of those crazy ones where I've got them both up in here. But hey, without further ado, bosh bosh. Okay, so I'm going to do one by one. And we'll try to figure out how it's all going to work out. But here we go. Yeah. Another Adidas box. Now, normally, when it's a big old box like this, like I say to you all the time, right? It's a big old box. It's normally a boot of some sort from Adidas. So it'd be interesting because I don't know no boots that have 380s, okay. 380s, yeah. And it's the... Man, I need to figure out what these names are. But yeah, I'm gonna clip out the video and I'm gonna get the name back for this one. I'm not sure if is it the Stone something? Hey, listen. I'm gonna put it down in the bottom what these are called. This is mad. I forget these. But anyway, so this is one of them. Let's see. Oh yeah. I like these. Is it Stone Slate? I think it's the Stone Slate. If I'm wrong, forgive me, guys. But yo, here we are. Here we are. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get one out. I'm gonna open up the next one. Okay, box 2. Here we go. Another big box. So again, this is just a massive box. Unneeded. Well, unless it's a boot, though. And oh, okay. All right then, so that was a good choice, right? Because so this is another 380, and this one is a Pyrite. Okay, so it was a Pyrite and the Stone. I'm sure it's a Stone Slate, you know. I'll come back to you on that one. Yeah. And these are all right. Okay, so I've got right on the other one, so these get left on that. That's really mad. Right, okay then. So Stone Salt. See, I told you I'll find that. Stone Salt, and then these are just gonna be called the Pirate, man. I can't be asked to be trying to get it wrong or right. I'm gonna call them the Pirate. Okay, so here we are, the Pyrite, whatever they are. So okay, so they're similar, and they just actually, you know, they're like contrast in both of the colors, aren't they? It's like one should be again. You see, like. You know, Nike do that every so often, that they just have like one color shoe, one another pair. I think Yeezy, I know Yeezy don't like to copy because, you know, Kanye is all about being mad on a unique thing. But every so often, I just like, especially when you get such similar colorways, it just feel like if you just added a bit more cream to the Stone Slate, it just work as a mad mismatch, you know? But hey, listen, if you're hard enough, you should rock both of them. Do you know what I mean? But at like 200 UK pounds. See, I think that's my problem with the 380s, yeah? Because you get 350s nice and easy, 180. Yeah. But when you start hitting like 220, you know, come on, Adidas. You can, no, wait, are these 200? I think they're 200, you know. But even so, man, they're still more expensive than the 350s. And I don't see why they need to be that way. Yes, these are comfortable. I mean, I'm still rocking my Alien Blues, yeah? But, I don't know, man, that price, that price bracket just bugs me, man. Unnecessarily bugs me, you know. But anyway, let me go on. So, listen, again, with these, what can we say about, I mean, you see the colours yourself, right? You see the colours yourself. There is no reflectiveness in any of these. I don't know why they've done that, because I see a great, you know, the way in which, I think the reason why I really liked the Alien Blues was the touches of the light blue, and then, you know, with the reflectiveness running throughout the shoe, like within the stitching. I thought that worked really well. You know, I'm all about a few reflectives on the shoes, right? But I do like these. I like this blend, but, you know, it's a bit autumny with the feel, and then you've got the cream soles. I don't know, you know, I just don't think I'm a fan of 380s, you know. What gets me, I think, is probably just the back here. It's just that so big, you know. But I haven't said that, you know, the the glows that I like, you know, and the clays I like. I don't know, man. I'm just being some time-ish, you know, just being fickle, I guess. And then, but these ones I think are the best ones, you know. We didn't manage to ever cop a pair of the Onyx. So hopefully on the next Yeezy day or some crazy restock, we can try and get a pair of them. And this is quite similar to the Onyx. And I like these. I think these are quite subtle. I like the brown sole. Hopefully you can see it's brown out, I mean, and it's not really a grey. I like these. I like the way that they're both flex. But I think for these, it's about the on foot. Because you know, once you get them on foot, your mind changes completely. So here we are. You see, that's why you have to do an on foot. Honestly, like, you know, and that's why, you know, when you're in the shop, man, I don't know, you go to whatever shop, no one's sponsored me, so I'm going to say the shop, but you go into a shop, yeah, and then you're like, okay, let me see them. And then you put stuff on your shoes, you walk around in there, you're looking at them in the mirror and stuff like that. And honestly, your mind changes as soon as you put them on your feet, especially like me, you got white feet. And so I thought I'd like the Pirates more, yeah? And I thought the Stone Slate were a bit like, oh, okay, maybe not. Or the Salt Slate, whatever. But as soon as I put them on the feet, and hopefully you can see it as well in the video, it's just, I don't know, I like the darker pair. You know, I like the Stone Salt. Yeah, I like them. I don't know, it just works, you know? It's so weird how an opinion can change as soon as they put on your feet. You know, you get people, they wear them and they're like, yeah, I like the Pyrite more, whatever. And you others, no, these ones more. But listen, like I said, I still think, obviously you see the foot on, they're two different shades, yeah? I do still think that if you can rock both of them as like mixed match. I just think that's a killer, man. And if you can do it, man, I mean, I see some of you commented in the comments below about some of the tactile orange and that red one, yeah, that they had that time, and you're thinking, yeah, buy both of them. I think you have to do that. Some of the colorways just need to be rocked like together, completely contrasting. So anyway, guys, what do you think? Okay, so cop drop. Okay, so if I'm buying one and I had to buy one, I'll buy the darker pair, the Slate Salt or the Salt Slates, whatever it's called, all day long. I'll give the Pyrites a miss. Have you got a pair? Did you manage to cop a pair of these, man? Drop us a note, hit us up. You know, post a photo on stylevistrend.com. Come on, guys. Let's see how you're rocking your stuff. That's it from me. Thanks so much for tuning in and see you soon.